Airdrops are absolutely printing money in 2024. I just posted a video recently about a high school dropout who made $1 million from the Jupiter airdrop. It's an insane opportunity. But there's a problem with many airdrops. You have to actually hold crypto and do stuff with it in order to qualify in most cases. But, what if you didn't? What if you didn't actually have to buy any cryptocurrency in order to qualify for airdrops? Well, guess what? You can. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about 4 different airdrops that you can qualify for where you need $0 of cryptocurrency to get started. I'm gonna tell you all those in this video today as a blockchain developer myself who works this technology on a daily basis and a multi-time airdrop recipient. So if you're new around here, hey, I'm Gregory, and on this channel, I turn you into a blockchain master. So if that's something you're interested in, then smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. And while airdrops can be a great way to make your first dollar in crypto, the absolute best way to make life-changing money in this space is to double down on your technical skills and become a blockchain developer. And I can show you how to do that step-by-step from start to finish over at dappuniversity.com/bootcamp. All right, so let's get into this. Let's talk about 4 different crypto airdrops that you can qualify for absolutely free. Now, before I talk about these, I want to be 100% transparent, okay? With airdrops, there's always a little bit of guesswork, okay? And I'm going to talk about projects that have either admitted that they are going to do airdrops in the way that I've talked about, or there's, a pretty good chance they're going to. But, I don't make any explicit guarantees in this video that you're going to make a certain amount of money by doing this, or that you're going to make any money at all. So with that being said, let's talk about how free airdrops work, because this is kind of different than how most other airdrops work, okay? Usually you either have to, number one, take some cryptocurrency and go use a new application or new blockchain network and start making transactions over and over again on a routine basis in order to qualify because you're an early user of that. Or you have to go basically take some cryptocurrency and stake it up into a protocol and leave it there for other people to airdrop you new tokens, because that's how airdrops work. Basically, they issue a new cryptocurrency and they reward early adopters who typically perform tasks by one of these 2 ways. But free crypto airdrops work differently, and you'll see how for each example that I provide here in a minute. All right, so project number 1 is Grass. Okay, what is it? Well, basically, it's a way for you to get paid for your unused internet. So how on earth would you do that? Well, basically, what Grass is it is an AI platform. Okay, so for artificial intelligence, you need to basically have artificial intelligence models that you train with information. And what Grass does is it provides a way for AI models to get trained so they can use your bandwidth that you're not currently using to go scrape the internet and find information to train the AI models. And basically, they're going to pay you to do this. So how does it work? Well, basically, you install a browser extension and then you turn it on, and whenever it's running, basically whenever your internet connection is idle, it's allowed to essentially utilize that to scrape the web and then get these requests to train their AI models. And they're going to pay you in cryptocurrency to do this, probably with this airdrop that's coming up. And they have a dashboard that you can see here about your total earnings. And so how can you qualify for this airdrop? What you need to do is to sign up for Grass, okay? So basically go to the register tab, do your name, email, password, and you need a referral code in order to do this. So I went ahead and just created one. I'll put a link down in the description below because you can't sign up without one. And then once you're logged in, you'll need to download the app, install it in your browser, start running it, and then you can look at the dashboard and see your statistics. And whenever they do the airdrop, that's probably when you'll qualify. All right, so project number 2 is Berachain. So what is this? Well, basically it's a new blockchain network. And so how could you get free cryptocurrency, free airdrops without, using any cryptocurrency in this? I thought you had to go take your cryptocurrency when you have new networks. Well, here's the thing. What Berachain is doing is they have a test network that's now live, and it's an incentivized test net, which basically means they want people to start using the test net to test it out, and they're going to reward people with tokens for doing that. So let me break that down. What is a test network? Basically, it's a fake copy of the real blockchain, that you launch before it goes live. And then you test everything out on the test network. And then when you kick the tires and say everything's good, then you launch the main network. And they need help testing things out on the test network, and they're going to pay you in tokens to do that. All right, so how can you do that? Well, basically, you go to Try Now, and you're going to see something called a faucet here. So what you have to understand is on a test network, the cryptocurrency on it is completely fake. All right, so that's why this is a free strategy. You can use fake cryptocurrency on that test network to do transactions and use applications, okay? So remember this, because I'm going to talk about this for some of the other projects that are coming up. All right, and so what you have to do is you have to get the free cryptocurrency, the free fake cryptocurrency that you can use to test things out on, with something called a faucet. So basically you enter in your wallet address, you click on drip tokens, it'll give you free fake cryptocurrency. This is not the airdrops tokens. And then you can basically take this, these tokens and go start using applications. So you can see Explore Berachain, there's a DEX, there's a stable coin, there's a DeFi app for, supply and lend, perps, all that type of stuff. You can do everything you would normally do to qualify for airdrops by using these applications, but just doing it on a test network with fake cryptocurrency doesn't cost you anything so that you can qualify in the future. All right, so project number 3 where you can get a free airdrop is Shardium, okay? So basically this is another alternative layer 1. It's an EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain, okay? So basically, what this is a new blockchain network, and you can get free cryptocurrency through this airdrop because it's also having an incentivized test network. So I just explained that in the last section with Berachain. So if you skipped ahead in the video to this marker, go watch that part of the Berachain where I talked about that. Okay, so basically, whenever you're doing an incentivized test net, there's 3 steps. One is basically request some free fake cryptocurrency. Step number 2 is go start doing things with it. And then obviously step number 3 is get the airdrop. So how do you get the free fake cryptocurrency from the faucet? Well, you can go to their documentation here. Basically, you can see how to get 100 SHM tokens. You need a MetaMask wallet installed, but you can go to the faucet claim right here. All right. And then you have to basically connect your Twitter to do a post. And then you can put that Twitter confirmation on the page here and then just do the request the tokens, and it will give them to your wallet. And then you can go start using applications in the ecosystem, just like I was talking about with Berachain. You can see some different things here. You can explore the ecosystem. You see there's games, there's different DeFi applications, there's DEXs, social media, etc., etc. You can just go start going crazy with all this stuff in order to qualify. All right, so project number 4 where you can qualify for a free airdrop is the Quay network, or Quai, depending on how you say it. So again, this is just another blockchain network that's going to have an incentivized test network, just like the other 2 I talked about. So again, if you skipped ahead of this part of the video, go watch point number 2 or watch project number 2 where I talked about incentivized test nets. So basically, how do you qualify for this with Quay? So basically, you need to get the Koala wallet. All right, you can scroll down, you can get the wallet, install it as a browser extension. All right, you're going to go to the faucet. All right, for the Quay network, you're going to enter the wallet address, the new wallet you just created. You're going to request the tokens. You're going to get the tokens. You'll see them here. You can also send it to a different address like yourself. All right. So this will help you rack up the number of required transactions. You can go to a Galaxy and see the different campaign tasks there. You can complete the tasks. And then basically, finally, you can, hop into their Discord, start being active. And these will all up your chances that you can qualify for this free airdrop as well. All right. So that's an overview of 4 different crypto airdrops that you can get for absolutely free, where you don't have to hold any cryptocurrency in order to qualify for those. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Are you going to try to get any of these free crypto airdrops? Have you had any other crypto airdrops that you're super proud of yourself for? Did you find any in this channel? I want to hear from you. And once you're finished leaving your comment, make sure you smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe. And while airdrops can be one of the best ways to make your first dollar in crypto, the absolute best way to really make it in this space is to change your career by doubling down on your technical skills and becoming a blockchain developer so that you can increase your salary well past 100K, create your own bots, whatever it is. I show you to do that step by step from start to finish over at dappuniversity.com/bootcamp. You really don't have to be an expert to get started today. I've helped people with 0 coding experience become real world blockchain developers in a matter of months. So that's all I've got. Until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University.